Hey, gals and guys, this is Christopher Mosier from MediaHelper.com. And this time I'm going to show you a couple of websites where you can sign up for and request some products in order to test. And then if you have like a YouTube channel where that's what you do is review products and that's your niche, then this is a couple great channels you can go to. And they do work because I do have some stuff right here that I'll go over with you. So before I go to those two sites, I'm just going to show you. I brought these up real quick just to show you. I was a part of this sticker company. Basically, what you do is you sign up for it. They send you a sticker. You put it on your car, and you earn a certain amount of money. Amount of money a month. Does that sound right? So I made like $5-10 a month. So I just wanted to throw that out to you, just so you know it was out there. I just wanted to group that in with today's video. Something else where you can make some money and do testing and reviews is user testing. So that's more like website testing, see if there's any bugs on the website. Just to show you, I did do some. I mean, this was a couple years, wow, that was a long time ago. But you do make some money at it, and I'll put this link in the description as well. I just wanted you to be aware of them. But mostly I wanted you to be aware of these two websites. So this is Social Nature, and you get, obviously you test out these products. I think I actually I'm going to test this one out, so I have to go and get it. So that's the thing. So you get the coupon, and then they tell you where to go. So I got to go to Walmart in Chilai. So I'm in a place called Greece. So there's a Walmart within walking distance. It would take me 5-10 minutes to walk there. And they want me to go 2 towns over to get the product. Will I? Yeah, of course I will, to test it out and add content to the channel. But just keep in mind, you do have to go to specific places to pick this stuff up. So obviously just sign up and see if I can log in here. It's pretty simple. And then you request products and they make sure you're actually going to review the products. You actually have to review the products if you're going to do this. Offers by text. Check your text. That's fine. So for instance, you pre-qualify to try these free samples. So I can get this natural caffeine drink. So I'll just hit that. And then apply and try. And then let's see. So Tops Friendly Market. That's right up the street. That's no problem. Select store. Let's see. Apply to try these questions. Espresso energy drink. You just answer these questions, obviously. Which brand of energy drinks do you typically have? I don't really usually have energy drinks. I'll just put Monster. What's experience with the brand? Haven't heard of it. That's usually what I put. Haven't heard of it because I haven't heard of it. Let's see. What appeals to you? Clean energy, low calorie. And then what do you use energy drinks for at work? I don't know, driving the car. So it doesn't really matter what your answers are. And you just have your address here. You agree. So I agree to review this product on Social Nature within 2 weeks of receipt. Send voucher. Okay, successful match. Your voucher for free caffeine will be shipped to you in early January. So let's go over some of the ones that I got. So what you get in the mail are these. And you're probably asking, Chris, aren't you an IT channel? Why are you testing out health food? This is a total experiment just to see how it works out. I think this would be really good for people, right, who have a food channel or a health channel. This would be a good idea for them. So I got all these. Let's see what's in them. Obviously, I have not opened them. Yeah, I need my glasses. All right, so you get a voucher. So this is Good Wheat. Okay, I've had this stuff before. Redeem your free product voucher at one of the participating stores. So I got to scan this to find the store. So I can't unmatch those. I'll have to make a list of stores and take a field trip today. So let's look at another one. This one is save $2 on 8-count chomps. Buy one, get one free on chomps. Try a free stick on us. Chomps. I have no idea what the hell chomps are. I'll have to find out what those are. And the winner is... Oh, these are more chomps. More chomps. I think these are like... These aren't the ones that I requested. I think these are just like additionals to try products. So, get in there, you little fucker. It don't matter. Let me get to the good stuff. All right, yeah, here's the one I just showed you. This is $3 off on this product, but here's a free one. Buy one golden wing carton, get one. All right, so that's not exactly trying it for free, is it? I'll pick it up. I mean, it doesn't matter. Share your experience. Get more free samples by writing reviews. So the more you write, the more free samples you get. Buy one golden wing carton, get one free. It don't matter. I'll try it out. Oh, okay, here's my free one. I was going to say, aren't these supposed to be free products? All right, here's my free one. So, okay, that's cool. So I'll go get that. That's the one out in Shiloh. And then I'll get this one. I'll have to make a list of where I'm going today. And what's this one? This one looks like it's the same thing. So, I don't know. I'll pick up a couple and I don't know. Review them twice. All right, it's the last one, and then I'll show you the other website, and I do have something from the other website too that will open. So definitely, if you're into the health scene and into the food scene, this is really going to be for you. I think this is more that good wheat stuff. All right, some more of the good wheat stuff. So I'll pick it up. I'll cook it up and try it. All right, let me show you the other website. And this one is BzzAgent, and it looks like it has a more diverse range of things that you can test. Let's see if I can log in here real quick. I don't even remember my email. Oh yeah, that's right. So each time you get in there, you have to put in your email address and get a link to log in. All right, so now I got to go to. Yeah, I forgot each time you have to put in your email address to get a link. So there's that link. It only lasts 15 minutes, it says. So here's an active one, Royal and Lacnical. Oh, I already have this one. That's the one I'm going to open. So, maybe that's why it's active, because I still have to open it and review it. So, yeah, I'll show you that one. So these are going to be brushes and watercolors. Now, do I know how to paint? No. Did I say I knew how to paint? Yeah. So it's really diverse, the stuff that they're going to ask you. They'll ask you a questionnaire when you sign up, kind of get a feel of what you're into. So this is great. I mean, if you have an artist, right, an artist channel. So we got some watercolors here. And then brushes. So I'll test them all out. And I bought these little canvases at Walmart to test them out. And I'm going to do that this weekend. And then you get a card. Right. So I'll do that. Yeah, just to make sure, obviously, I mean, I don't mean to be big brother or father or something. If you're going to do this, make sure you actually review the products. So those are two sites that I'm not throwing at you. I actually did it. I watch people do, 5 places where you can get products and never go and do it. All right, gals and guys, that's all I got for you today. I'm going to do a separate video for the products, and I hope this helps you out if this is the niche that you want to go down. I mean, this would be great for health food. If you're a health food niche on YouTube to get products all the time, you'll have plenty of content. And then, of course, go in here and get potluck products to review. All right, gals and guys, of course, please subscribe and please share and please like and please hit the bell. And I will catch you probably next video reviewing these products. All right.